Do this before starting an online business. In this video, I will tell you what you need to do before starting your online business. If you do this, it will be much easier for you to build and grow your online business, because you will already have a solid foundation on which to build it. So be sure to watch this video until the end and do what I tell you. Hi, my name is Dmytro. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words. And it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. In Russell Brunson's book .com Secrets, I learned a very cool formula which I now want to share with you. This formula consists of 4 simple but very important questions. Russell says that if you hired him as a consultant and paid him $100,000, the first thing you would do is figure out the answers to these 4 questions. Therefore, before you start your online business, I strongly recommend that you deal with these 4 questions. Trust me, if you figure out these questions, it will be much easier for you to build and grow your online business. What are these 4 questions? Before voicing these questions, let me tell you a little story. My dad is an avid fisherman. As soon as he has free time, he immediately goes fishing. But before he goes fishing, he first decides what kind of fish he wants to catch. Since he is a fisherman with great experience, he is not interested in catching small fish. He wants to catch a big carp, at least 3-5 kilograms. So he is going to go to that pond where this big carp is found. He also cooks a special barley porridge and sprinkles it with breadcrumbs, because the carp loves it. And he prepares fishing rods with which he can catch and pull out the desired carp. What will happen if Dad manages to catch the coveted carp? Which is his motivation? Dad will get a lot of praise from us and our neighbors. My mom will bake this carp in the oven, it will decorate our evening table, and our whole family will be happy eating such a delicious dish. Why did I tell you this story? Before you start your online business, you need to do what my dad does before he goes fishing. You have to solve 4 important questions. Questions number 1. Who are your dream customers? Who is your desired carp? Dream customers are people who you can really help with your product or service and who will bring you maximum pleasure working with. If you help these people, both you and they will benefit greatly from it. They will be able to solve their problem or satisfy their desire, and you will not only earn money but also enjoy working with such people. Therefore, I recommend that you determine for yourself who your dream customer is. Who is the person you can really help and who you feel most comfortable working with. Describe him or her in detail. The better you identify your dream customer, the easier it will be for you to find him or her. Question number 2. Where do your dream customers congregate? Where are you going to fish? Once you have identified your dream customers you need to think about where those people are already congregating online. Where do they spend their time? What sites do they go to? What YouTube channels are subscribed to? What do they follow on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok? What social media groups do they belong to? What podcasts are they listening to? If you know where your dream customers are congregating online, then you can come to that place and offer them your product or service. Question number 3. What kind of bait can you use to get their attention? What will you put on the hook to lure the carp to you? Once you know where your dream customers are congregating online, the next step is to get their attention. so that they notice you among a crowd of other people and want to listen to your offer. You can do this with a special bait. Bait is something of value to your target audience that you either give away to them for free or sell for a very small price. The bait should attract the right people, dream customers, and repel everyone else. Think about what value you can offer your dream customers for free or very cheap to get their attention. The more valuable the bait, the easier it will be for you to attract your dream customers. Question number 4. What big result will you lead them to? What will you do with a cup if you catch one? You must understand one simple thing. People don't come to you because they want your product or service. They come to you because they want a special result. Therefore, you need to sell them a better future, not the features of your product, how your product will help them improve their lives. Think about the big result you will lead your dream customers to and how you can bring maximum value to them and help them achieve this result faster and easier with your products or services. If you work out all these 4 questions, then it will be much easier for you to build and grow your online business. You will know who you are helping, you will know where to find these people, you will know how to get their attention, and you will know to what great result you will lead them. In this case, it will be easier for you to sell your product or services, and you will be able to earn much more money and enjoy working with your clients. In this video, I told you what you need to do before you start your online business. And I also have a book where I can tell you how you can quickly start your online business selling information products and what exactly you will need to do. In the description of this video, there will be a link to a page where you can get this book absolutely free. If you have any questions about the Russell formula, then write them in the comments. That's all I have for you today. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.